Are you one of those people that buys a lot of courses, maybe self help books, signs up for workshops, and are initially very excited about the changes that will happen from these courses, this learning, these strategies you're going to absorb? But if you look back over the last few years, you might have just done a lot of courses, read a lot of books, taken workshops, but you haven't actually executed anything that you've learned. And so if that's been happening to you, there's a very simple explanation for it. The way the brain works is we get excited and the reward pathways are triggered when we think about some exciting change. The problem is when we execute it, there's other parts of us that get triggered. Fear of failure, number one, shame, things like that. So if you are constantly engaging in the idea of starting something, it will feel very exciting because there's no risk. But once you actually take the action and you engage, then other parts of you will get triggered potentially. Things like fear of failure. Without risk, there could be no failure. If I don't start, I can't fail. So it's awareness that you can have around that. And there's nothing wrong with taking courses, reading books, learning things. But if you're looking back over your life and you're realizing that I just haven't really executed everything, be careful of just looking for a new course, a new book, a new strategy, because you may just do the same thing again and end up with no real actual change. Because once we sit down and actually start to change, that's when it gets difficult, because we hit barriers, we hit roadblocks, we get sidetracked, we get stuck. And it's really challenging to get out of that. But the only way to change is to move into the action stage. So think about that next time you want to buy a book or a course. Are you in love with the idea of what it will give you and you're not ready to follow through? Then try a different approach. Work on the stuff that gets triggered when you take action so that you can take action.